Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Flow and Migration Law channel. My name's Jay. When you start preparing an Australian partner visa, you're introduced to the 4 pillars of a relationship: the financial, the social, the household, and the nature of your commitment. Now, the first 3 are fairly tangible. You can show financial evidence, social evidence, and evidence of household as well. But what about commitment? How do you actually document a feeling or a long-term intention? It's often the most abstract and misunderstood part of the application. So today, we're going to do a deep dive and break it down. Before we get into the details, let's quickly set the scene. Every partner visa has to clear 2 main hurdles. First is your technical relationship status. Are you married, or do you meet the de facto requirements? That part is fairly black and white. And the second and more subjective hurdle is proving your relationship is genuine and continuing. This is where the 4 pillars come in. The document uses them as a framework to assess the substance of your partnership. And the nature of commitment pillar is essentially the thread that ties all of the other evidence together. They're looking for mutuality. Is this a two-way street where you both see a long-term exclusive future together? So what does the department actually look for? It's not just one thing. They consider several factors to build a picture of your mutual commitment. They look at the total duration of your relationship and how long you've lived together. But it goes deeper than that. They want to understand the degree of companionship and emotional support you provide each other. And a big one is your knowledge of each other's personal circumstances, their family situation, their background. It shows a level of connection that goes beyond the casual relationship. Okay, the big question. How do you show this in your application? Since there isn't one single commitment document, you prove it by weaving a consistent narrative throughout your entire application. Here is how. First and most importantly is your relationship statement. This is your most powerful tool for this pillar. It's your chance to speak directly to the case officer. Don't just list dates like a timeline. Tell your story. Explain how your relationship evolved, the key milestones, and crucially, how you've navigated challenges together. Your future plans need to be detailed. Don't just say, we plan to live in Australia. Talk about your shared goals, career, family, travel, and how you'll support each other to get there. Second, provide evidence of shared future. While feelings are hard to document, plans are not. This is where things like naming each other as a beneficiary on your superannuation or in your will can be very powerful. Even correspondence showing you're planning a wedding or looking to buy property together can demonstrate that long-term intention. Third, show how you support each other emotionally. Your relationship statement is the main place for this. Think about a difficult time one of you went through, maybe an illness or a family emergency. Describe how the other person provided support. You can even back this up by having your friends or family mention it in their supporting statements. And finally, if you've had to leave apart, it's important to explain it. Periods of separation are not deal breaker as long as you show how you maintained your commitment. Provide evidence of constant communication, such as call logs, chat histories, flight tickets for visits. Show that despite the distance, your shared life continued. The partner visa application is one of the most expensive in Australia. A rushed application that fails to build a persuasive case around your commitment can lead to a visa refusal. That's not only a significant financial loss, but it also causes immense emotional distress. It's about more than just submitting documents. Your goal is to present a comprehensive story that leaves no doubt in the mind of the decision maker about the genuine nature of your partnership. Understanding how to articulate the unique story of your relationship is key. If you're preparing your application and feel unsure how to best represent the nature of your commitment or any of the other pillars, getting some guidance can be really helpful. As the principal migration lawyer at Flow Migration Law, I, Jason, have over 8 years of dedicated experience in Australian migration law, focusing on helping couples navigate this very process. We understand what the department is looking for. If you want to ensure your application truly reflects the strength of your partnership, we invite you to reach out to us to book a consultation. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.